Hello everyone, this is the React Native Beginner series. In this video, I want to show you how to use text input component in React Native. I will take two text input component. One is for the email and the second one is for the password. For the password, when you are pressing the icon, so it show and hide the password also. So let's start with the practical. So I already ran my project. So this is my project. First of all, we should import the text input from the React Native. I already imported text input, and just come here. And also we needed some style, and we should define our style outside. So text input style, and I will import my style. So this is our style. If placeholder, first one is placeholder. Enter your password, enter your email, enter your email. So it show enter your email. When you are typing the text, it automatically hide that placeholder text also. See, when you are typing, so it will be hide. So also we have another props. It's a value. We want to save our value also in the state. So for that we creating the state also. Email, set email, and also use state, and just empty. And for the value we just pass our email, and there we have another on-chain text. On-chain text on-chain text can take the callback function, set email and text. Now see, if I print my text email, so whenever I am typing, see, we also print our email, like whenever we are putting some value, so that value come to the state, and then we are printing that value also. So let me see, my name is, see, it's working. So just remove that text also. So for designing, we need some designing also, like height, I need a 52 height, and border width, I need a border width is 1, and also I need a width width would be divided by 1.2, and also I need align item center, and justify content center also. And also padding, like a 12 padding, and need a border radius also, border radius 12, and also margin top, and font size also 22, and color black. So this is our styling. So let's this is our email component. So CFI typing. So see, we have created the text input, and we just define some placeholder value. We just define our props also, placeholder value, on-chain text, and also we style our text input. So now we need to take another text input for the password. So just come here, and just come here, text input, and just like a placeholder, type the placeholder, password. We have a password also. We need a style also, style For styling, I will create another style. Just copy this style and text info input text password. Copy this. Come here. Now I need a button also here. So when I pressing that button, so my password show and hide also. So let's there's a props of text secure text entry. If I say true, true. So see, it's hide our password. If I typing, it's hiding our password. If I pass the false, see, it will be showing our password. So for that we need some icon also. I will download my icons from the internet. Flight icon, just download your icon from the flight icons, and for that I'm searching password. See, we have these two. One, this, I will download this also. Just copy, download, and another one, this one also, and just download it. Both. I will come to my project, assets, and my images, and just image path. I have an image path in here. Just copy the one. Just come here on my eye, copy your eye, name of your eye, and just also paste your there. And the another one is hide. So I take two images, one is close and another one is hide. So let's in here I will import my image, source image path hide. So this is my image, and we don't have any styling, so this touchable opacity we need to on press also. Just copy this and just type the also we need a style here also. Style width 32, height also 32, and this is on press. So now so we create two text input, and one is for the email and the second one is for the password, and we also import our icon also, but we need a styling like this. See, when I press the icon it hide my password. When I press it show my password also, like this. So for that we need to wrap our text input and our image in the view. So for that we take a view, just copy. See, we wrap our text input and so see, we wrap our text input and icon inside the image. So now we need to assign the styling, flex direction, row. So it will take a row, see, and also we will align item, center, and align, and also justify content, center. So now I need some another styling. I will remove the border also from the text input. Also text input padding also, I will remove the padding also from the text input, and the border radius I also remove, margin top I also remove, and just come to the your view, and here just first of all border width, see, and now border radius 12, and also width is, we are dividing 1.2, width is width 1.2, and also padding 12. Just remove this width also. Just come here. Just remove justify content, justify and flex direction. Okay, justify content, space between, and also margin top. See, when we are pressing the icon, so we haven't seen any action. So for that we need to take some two states: const email, const password, set password, use state, and also const for the hide and show, set hide and show use state false. In the starting it will be true. So just first of all we just copy our state and come to your text input, a value, assign there password, and then on change text, take a on change text, and also set password, assign the text also. And now we need to secure text, pass the value of the hide show. If we have a hide show true, so it's say true. If you have a false, so it's type of false. So we can take like this also, but we do not need this also. Just come here on plus and just take a arrow function or set hide show and just hide and show. And just if I type there, see, this is working correctly. So we create finally. So this is our value. When our value is true, so we change the value to false. So when our value is false, so we are changing with the on press to true. So this is for the. So see, when you are pressing the icon, it show our password and hide our password, but we want to change our icon also when you are pressing. So for that we need to come to our image and just pass your state of the show and hide and show state, and just a ternary operator. If my value is true, so it will be show the hide image path hide. If my value is false, so it will show my image path dot I. Let's check it. Now is my value is false, so it's true, false, true. So this is the text input component in React Native, and also we hide and show our password also with the states. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye.